Today, we're going to talk about auto steer on our Vermeer Navigator drills. Tim Vandenord from our HD Circuit training program is going to demonstrate these features for us. He is using a D23x30 S3 Navigator horizontal directional drill. Auto steering automates certain drill head motions. The operator sets and adjusts the rotation duration and rotation direction. Let's start with how to set up auto steer. Press the left joystick trigger up to initiate auto steer. In carve steer, you can also adjust the degree of arc. To adjust it, press the auto steer select button. The blue highlight on screen will indicate the adjustment is active for the degree of arc. To adjust rotation of arc, turn the adjustment dial clockwise or counterclockwise. The duration measurement is for one direction. For example, we are using a 45-degree rotation, which means the head will rotate a total of 90 degrees, 45 degrees each way. To get from carve steer to zone steer, press the auto steer selection button on the keypad to enable zone steer. The symbol and steering distance will be shown on the display, letting you know you are in zone steer. Press the pressure adjustment dial to switch between the carve angle and carve distance. To adjust carve distance, ensure that it is highlighted blue, and once again use the dial clockwise or counterclockwise to change these adjustments. For example, our machine length is in inches, so our carve distance is 2 inches. Now that we understand how to set up the two auto steer modes, let's show how each is used. Starting with zone steering, the bit thrusts into the drilling surface until the correct pressure is achieved. It sweeps through an arc set by the operator and pulls back to the preset distance also selected by the operator. The bit then rotates back to the starting point and starts again. In carve steering, the bit rocks back and forth through the chosen arc distance. The thrust pressure is manually adjusted by the operator. In this mode, the rotation joystick operates only as a switch to turn the rocking motion on and off. For manual rotation, set the mode to off with the trigger switch. As drilling distance increases and the drill string lengthens, the drill head rotates fewer degrees than the subsaver. This is rod wrap. It varies with drilling conditions and drill pipe diameters. To compensate, increase the angle of arc sweep with the adjustment dial. Failure to adjust may result in decreased productivity. Depending on soil condition, forward movement may stop. This is just some of the information on auto drill found on Vermeer drills. If you have any further questions, please refer to the operator's manual that is tethered to the machine.